Charlotte, come on, hiccups, please.
Yeah. Dude, we're going to Lima, man.
Exactly.
Fuck that. It's way off track.
Off track for your house, on track for my house.
Oh, so you just think what's best for you, not for us. Oh, bitch.
You can go up the hill now.
No, I'll keep on recording. So.
I think I will. Look at her. She's like, I got that one like super clear. Owned Charlotte's hiccups after PV. Insane night of yeah.
Filip lost us, and we're just laughing at Charlotte. Yeah, hiccuping.
Charlotte's convulsions.
That was too much, though. Oh, you're a jerk. Well, I mean, your hiccups are pretty fun.
She's got like convulsions every time she has one. She goes back like feet. There you go.